students, welcome back to maths class. In last class we completed the chapter cube and cube root, and also we started exponents and powers. Okay, in that we learned what is exponent, what we call base and powers. Along with that we learned laws of exponents. So let us recall the laws of exponents in this class, and let us start exercise number 2.1. Okay, so before starting 2.1 exercise, let us recall all the formulas once. Okay, let us write it here now. So the first law of exponents, what it says? First law of exponents is a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Say everybody, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. See children, when the bases are same, a and a is the base, right? M and n are the powers. So when the bases are same, powers are different, multiplication is there in the middle, then you have to write the base once and the power you have to add. So say everyone, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Okay, when the bases are same, powers you have to add. So let us take the second case, a to the power m divided by a to the power n. A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So this case is different. What happens here? Bases are same, powers different. Bases are same, powers different, and the division sign is there, means powers you have to subtract m minus n. Okay, so this is second law. That is the third law. A to the power m whole to the power n. One base, two powers are there, means what you have to do children? A to the power m into n, mn. Okay, so one base, two powers are there, means powers you have to multiply. In the sense, a to the power m into n, mn is that right? Okay, this is third law. Now let us go to fourth law children. A to the power m into b to the power m. Okay, then a into b whole to the power m. In this case, what happens? Multiplication, same as first law, but here bases are different. See, here a, here b. Bases are different, powers are same. The cases are different. Okay, children. Here bases are same, powers are different. Here bases are different, powers are same. Okay, so which law you have to use here, means you have to understand. So here a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to a into b whole to the power m. In the same method, another is a to the power m divided by b to the power m is equal to a divided by b whole to the power m. This can also be written like this. A to the power m by b to the power m is equal to a by b whole to the power m. Like this also we can write children. So method will be the same. Got it? A to the power m by b to the power m is equal to a by b whole to the power m. Okay, power twice instead of writing once, you have to write outside the bracket. Got it? So like this, these are the 5 laws of exponents. Along with that, you learn children, a to the power 0 is always 1. A to the power 0 is always 1. Anything to the power 0 is always 1. Even one more thing, a to the power minus m. Negative power there means calculation will be very difficult. So how to do it positive? By reciprocal. In the sense, a by a to the power m. See, when you write the reciprocal, m will become positive. Okay, so a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. A to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m children. Okay, if at all there is a negative power children, so we cannot write 3 to times. Why? Because 2 times not, it is minus 2 times it is there. So negative power there means how to do it positive? By writing reciprocal. 1 by 3 to the power 2 plus 2 means you can write. Got it? If at all there is like this, 3 by 5 whole to the power minus 3. Think like this there is 3 by 5 whole to the power minus 3. Both are having negative power. So how to do it positive means in the way, another way you can write like this. 3 by 5 is there means if you reverse side means reciprocal of this 5 by 3. If you write 3 by 5 as 5 by 3, then the power will be a positive quantity. Can you make out? Power will be the positive quantity. So 3 by 5 whole to the power minus 3 there means you can write 5 by 3 whole to the power 3. So like this road means negative power goes and the positive power comes. Okay, that is only by reciprocal. Can you make out? Only by doing it reciprocal. Okay, children. So now, after learning this, after recalling this formula, let us do this exercise problem by using that knowledge. Okay, children. Now see here, exercise number 2.1. Exercise number 2.1. Evaluate. Okay, find the value of this. How to find the value of this? Okay, children. 3 to the power minus 2. So just now I said, if there is a negative power, you cannot do the calculation. For that sake, how to bring it to a positive power? Which formula included in this? That is a to the power minus m. It's in the form a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. A to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. Same method, can I use that here, children? Okay, so a to the power minus m can be written as 1 by 3 to the power 2. So can I write like this, children? So if I want, I can write that here itself is equal to 1 by 3 to the power how many? Minus 2 can be written as plus 2. 1 by 3 to the power 2. Can you make out, children? 1 by 3 to the power 2. It can also be written as 1 by 3 how many times? 2 times. That is 3 into 3. So what is the answer? 1 by 3 square is 3 3 is 9. So 1 by 9 is the final answer. So if at all it was negative, you have to bring it to positive. How? By reciprocal. 1 by 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2 when it became positive, you can multiply it how many times? 2 times. 3 multiplied 2 times. It will become 1 by 3 3 is 9. 3 3 is 9. Can you make out, children? So even the step will be the same here. So here see, children, again same formula. A to the power minus m. A to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. This is the formula. Yes, same method. How can I use here, children? 1 by. How can I write? 1 by minus 4 is there. Here it was positive quantity. Right now, here minus 4. Right as this. Power will be the positive. Base cannot be changed. Okay, children? Base right as it is minus 4. Power can be written as 2. Plus 2 can be written. So then what is the calculation here? 4 minus 4. How many times multiplied? Minus 4 2 times. In the sense minus 4 into minus 4. Minus 4 2 times means minus 4 into minus 4. We can written 1 by minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16. This is the final answer. Okay, children, when you brought it to positive power, you can multiply that very easily. Got it? So now let us do the next problem here. Here it is, children, 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 5. This is a fraction. This is a fraction. Its power is negative there. Means what can you do, children? You can write its reciprocal. So here it is easy to write. Here it was not fraction, so I only wrote as a fraction. But it is already in the fraction form means you can write 1 by 2 as 2 by 1. 2 by 1. Can you make out children? 1 by 2 as 2 by 1. 2 by 1 root means power goes as negative and becomes positive power. Can you make out children? So 1 by 2 will become 2 by 1. That time power become positive. Positive power you will get. So it is becoming 2 by 1 is 2. 2 to the power 5. 2 by 1 is 2. Power 5. So 2 how many times multiplied? 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. So what is the final answer? 32 is the final answer. Got it children? So evaluate set means you have to find the value. Final answer you have to find how much means. Okay children? So this is the about finally this about the loss. Where different loss they have used here. So now let us move to next problem children. Let us move to next problem. Okay. Simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. What is that? Simplify. Simplify the systems and express the result in power notation with positive exponents. With positive exponent. Okay, now here, how can I do this? Division mark is there. Anyway, you saw the law here of the division mark. Yes, one is this, one is this, right? Okay, which one I have to use? This law or this law? One, see here. Bases are same. Bases are same. Powers different. Here, the second case is this. Bases are same. Powers different means powers you have to subtract. Which law to use children? Have to use second law. Yes, no, what is the second law? A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So it is based on second law. When the bases are same, powers different means powers you have to subtract. So say everybody, a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Who is a here? Base is minus 4. Power 5 and 8. Power 5 and 8. So base write as these. Base write as these. Okay. Powers you have to subtract. When the bases are same, powers you have to subtract. Okay. Powers write small children. Base write bigger. So now it become minus 4 whole to the power 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 is 1 plus 1 minus. You have to subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3. Bigger number sign is minus. See, I got the power notation. Okay, so they said simplify and the result in power notation. You are right. Power notation came. But is this a positive power? Is this a positive exponent? No, right? Positive exponent you have to bring. Negative there means I said difficult to calculate. Got it? So how can I bring it to positive power? I can write 1 by. How can I write it? 1 by minus 4. Base cannot be changed. Right as it is. Minus 4. Power right 3. Can you make out children? So 1 by minus 4 whole to the power plus 3. Minus 3 became plus 3 by the reciprocal. Got it? By the reciprocal. Now, after doing that step, let us do the next problem. Got it children? Now see here. Here, one base is there, one power is there. It's in the form of fraction, right? So how can I write this? Which type of law can I see here? It is in the form this, right? A by B whole to the power m. See here, A by B whole to the power m. So A by B whole to the power m is equal to A to the power m power law we apply for both the numerator as well as denominator. In the sense, 1 will become 1 square. 2 will become 2 to the power 3 will become how means we will write. Okay. So 2 apply for both children. Can I apply now? Will become 1 square by 1 will become 1 square. 2 to the power 3 will become whole square. Like this. 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2. Apply this 2 for both the numerator as well as denominator. So 1 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2. So like this. So now, what is 1 square? 1 square is 1, right? Then children, this which law looks you? See, 1 base to 2 powers. Can you make out here? 1 base to 2 powers. Means powers you have to multiply. So what you have to do here? A to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Like this. When the base is 1 and the power 2 are there, means just multiply the power. So here 2 write as it is. 2 3s are. 2 3s are. Double power there means multiply. 2 3s are how much? 6. So it is 2 to the power 6 means we can understand. Okay children, so this is in the power notation. The power notation with positive exponent. See, positive exponent are not this. This is a positive exponent. Understood? So no need of finding the answer because they said already express the result in power notation. Power notation only, let it be 6. No need of finding its answer. Got it children? So this is about all the laws. So now let us move to next problem. Okay children? Right? Next question. Minus 3 whole to the power 4 into 5 by 3 whole to the power 4. Okay. So how can I do this problem? See here. Now see here. What is this? Minus 3 whole to the power 4. 5 by 3 whole to the power 4. Just compare the powers once. See, power same or not children? Power same, but bases are different. This is minus 3, this is 5 by 3. First your work is to see who is different. Bases are different or powers different. Okay, if bases are different, then powers are same. Means which law can I use? Bases are different, powers are same means we can use the fourth law. Correct? So it is in the form of a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to a into b whole to the power m. Can I write like that children here? This is a to the power m, this is b to the power m. Because powers same, bases different. Powers same, bases different means what you have to write, how to write? A to the power m into b to the power m is equal to a into b whole to the power m. In the sense, how can I write here? Minus 3 into 5 by 3 whole to the power 4. See, base right inside the bracket, power once right. Enough. So now it will become 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are. Will you agree? Yes. So then, children, who is remaining there? Minus 1 into 3 cut no, so who is remaining 5 whole to the power 4. So here it will become what children? So it is becoming like this, minus 1 into 5 whole to the power 4. Power notation positive for your right multiplication. 5 ones are 5 minus 5 whole to the power 4. Yes, can you make out that? So 5 ones are 5 minus 5 whole to the power 4. Otherwise, minus how many times multiplied? Minus 4 times. Minus into minus into minus into minus 4 times. minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. So final answer can also be written as plus 5. Minus multiplied even number of times means it will become positive. So whole to the power 4 means can write children. So both are one and the same. Which way you want to write, you can write for examination. Okay. So it is becoming 5 to the power 4. So minus into minus into minus into minus means it will become plus. Yes, minus 4 times multiplied means it will become plus. That's why I wrote plus 5 here. 5 to the power 4. Hope you all understood. So now let us move to the next problem, children. See there. 3 to the power minus 7 divided by 3 to the power minus 10, okay, into 3 to the power minus 5. 3 to the power minus 5. By practice only you can do this. Which law we have to use means you have to understand. Okay, division is there. Division is there. Division means this law can be used, this law can be used. But bases is given, bases are same. Bases are same. Powers are different. Bases are same, powers different. Means which law children? A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Can you make out? When the bases are same, powers different. The cases you have to understand and you have to do. Okay, bases are same means write the base as it is. 3 is the base. Powers you have to subtract. Powers you have to subtract. Got it? So what is the power here? Minus 7. Middle sign is subtract. Okay, this is also minus. Be careful children. Okay, so base is 3. Minus 7 minus of minus 10. Minus 7 minus of minus 10 can be written like this. See, when the bases are same, powers you have to subtract. Now you should be very careful. Why? Because this is also minus, this is also minus, middle sign is also minus. Got it? Into 3 to the power minus 1. Next, 3 to the power minus 7. Minus into minus plus 10. Minus 7 minus into minus plus 10 into 3 to the power minus 1 as it is there. Okay children, so now we solve first. 3 to the power minus 7 plus 10 into 3 to the power minus 5 is there children. So what you have to do next? See here, 3 write as it is. 1 plus 1 minus, you have to subtract, right? So 10 minus 7 is 3. Bigger number sign is plus 3 into 3 to the power minus 5, right, as it is. Okay, now see here. Now bases are same, look, powers are different. Again one more formula we can use here. Bases same here. Bases same, powers different. Bases same, powers different means you can use a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. When the bases are same, powers you have to add in the case of multiplication. Okay children, so it will become 3 to the power 3 right as it is, same base right as it is, powers you have to add. M is 3, n is minus 5. Can I add and write children? So 3 plus m plus n. N is negative, so bracket put children. Okay, so when there is a negative number, you should put the bracket and can understand very easily. Okay children, so 3 to the power right as it is, 3 right as it is, plus into minus 5. So next step, 3 to the power 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. 3 to power minus 2. Yes. So now there is a negative power. Negative power I don't want. I want positive power. How to write it as a positive number, children? So it is 1 by 3 to the power. What you write? 1 by 3 to the power. Negative 2. Minus 2 there means I write plus 2. So this is the final answer. Hope you all understood, children. Is it okay? So try to understand each step of that. Two formulas involved in this. Okay. So work out at home daily so that you can master in this. Okay. That's all about this problem. Now let us move to next problem, children. Now see here. Find the value of 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power 2. How to solve this, children? So 3 to the power of 0. So children, anything to the power of 0 is always how much? 8 to the power of 0 is 1 means what is 3 to the power of 0? That is also 1 plus 8 to the power negative power there means how to do it positive? So that formula is 8 to the power minus m is equal to 1 by 8 to the power m. 1 by 8 to the power m can be written as 1 by 4 to the power minus 1 can be written as 4. Okay, 1 by 4 into 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Okay, so now how to add this, children? Fraction is there. How to add the fraction? See, add it. 1 plus 1 by 4 can get added as 4 1s are 4 plus 4 1s are 4 plus 1 by 4. Okay, so into 4. Now children, 4 plus 1 is 5 by 4 into 4. Remove the bracket. So you understood how to take the LCM? 4 1s are 4 plus 1 by 4. Yes, so the next step is 4 1s are 4 1s are. What is the final answer? Final answer is 5. Final answer is 5. Got it? Hope you all understood how to do this. Okay. So that's all about this problem. Now let us do the next problem. So see here. 2 to the power minus 1 into 4 to the power minus 1 divided by 2 to the power minus 2. This question, all 2 mark question. Simple question if you know the laws properly. Okay, children? So now, how to bring it to positive power, children? Negative power there means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 to the power 1 into 1 by 4 to the power 1. Bracket close, children. Divided by 2 to the power minus 2. There means what you have to do? 1 by 2 to the power 2. Do you agree? 1 by 2 to the power 2. Next step for children, when the same power, there is 1 by 2 to the power of 1 is 2. 8 to the power of 1 is 8. 2 to the power of 1 is 2. Into 1 by 4 to the power of 1 is 4. Then this write as this division. 1 by 2 square is 4. 2 2s are 4. Okay, so now multiply, children. Bracket multiply. 1 1s are 1. 2 4s are 8. 1 1s are 1. 2 4s are 8. Divided by 1 by 4. In smaller classes, we learned multiplication of division of fraction. Will you agree? So can I write it like this, children? 1 by 8 into 1 by division. There means calculation is difficult. So multiplication brought this. What happens? Denominator will go up, numerator will come down. Reciprocal. Got it? Division mark fraction there means that side. You have to reciprocal. So that will become 4 1s are 4 2s are 4 1s are 4 2s are. What is the final answer? 1 1s are 1, 2 1s are 2. So this is the final answer. Hope you all understood, children. Okay. So now let us move to next problem. Let us move to next problem. Next question, write down 1 by 2 to the power minus 2. power minus 2. Then plus 1 by 4 to the power minus 3. Okay, so the case is like this. Okay, here it is. Write down 1 by 4 to the power minus 2. Okay. So now what you have to do, how to do this, see here. Everybody see here, base is like this, right? But powers water, all negative power there means how to do it positive. If at all it is in a fraction, then positive bringing is very easy, children. What happens here? 1 by 2 will become 2 by 1. 1 by 2, 2 by 1. That time power become negative there means positive. Got it? So 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 2 is equal to 2 by 1 whole to the power 2. Powers will become positive. 2 to the power minus 2. Sorry, 2 to the power. 1 by 2 will become 2 by 1. 2 to the power 2. Plus 1 by 3. Negative power there means 3 to the power 2. Plus 1 by 4. Upside downwards means 4 whole to the power 2. So like this. So easy, children. Bases are there. Fraction means just reciprocal of that. Right. 1 by 2 will become 2 by 1. 2. 1 by 3 will become 3. 1 by 4 will become 4. So it will become 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. Now add now. 16 plus 9, 25. 25 plus 4, 29. The final answer is 29. Can you make out, children? When bases are in the form of fraction, negative power there means you write 1 by 2 as 2, 1 by 3 as 3, 1 by 4 as 4. Square, square, square. Got it? Then 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. Add it, it will become 29. Hope you all understood. So now I'll give you homework problem. You have to do it and make children. Okay? So write the homework problem here. Homework is minus 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 2 whole to the power 2. This is a homework problem. Okay? So one more you can write there. One more write down. One more. 3 to the power minus 1 plus 4 to the power minus 1 plus 5 to the power minus 1 whole to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 means how much means you have to write. So just one mark question. Everybody can answer this question. Got it, children? So this is a homework problem. Try to do it in your math classwork. Okay? So children, that's all about today's class. In the next class, let us continue some more problems of this exercise. Till then, take care. Thank you.